Hey guys, today our read aloud is going to be something that we're going to do every Thursday for the next 7 weeks. And we're going to be reading this book, 7 Habits of Happy Kids. And we're going to talk about some great habits that you can develop that will help you in your schoolwork, help you in life, help you with friends, help you do a lot of things. So 7 Habits of Happy Kids. And the first habit, which is the one we're going to talk about today, habit number 1, be proactive. You're in charge. And I know proactive, that's kind of a long word. You may not know what it means right now, but we're going to read this story, and I think you're going to understand at the end of the story. So, habit number 1, be proactive. You're in charge. We're going to start reading this story right here. Bored, bored, bored. I bet a lot of y'all are bored right now because you're at home and you're having to do your schoolwork at home. And it's just boring to be at home all the time. So this is a great time for us to read this story. Sammy Squirrel was bored. Mom, he said, I'm bored. There's nothing to do. How about all those gadgets you collect, said Mom. Broken toys, radios, cell phones. You love to tinker around with them. But I don't feel like it today, said Sammy. Maybe Sophia can think up a fun thing for me to do. Sammy knocked on Sophia's door. Knock, knock, knock. There was no answer. Ooh, look, Sophia has a little sign on her door that says Math Rules. She must really love math. Sophia's gone to the library, said Mom. She's returning all those books she checked out last week. And she'll probably bring 100 more back to read. At least she's not bored, said Sammy. Well, you don't have to be bored either, said Mom. Why don't you see if Pokey can play? So off Sammy went to Pokey's house. Pokey was lying in his hammock. Hiya, Pokey. What you doing? What does it look like, said Pokey. I'm lying in my hammock. I'm bored, said Sammy. Can you think of something for me to do? Sure, said Pokey. Try lying in my hammock. Ugh, said Sammy. That sounds even more boring. I don't think it is, said Pokey. But if you do, why don't you see what Lily's doing? So off Sammy went to Lily's house. Lily was in her playroom, painting a picture. Hi, Lily, said Sammy. I'm bored. Can you think of something fun for me to do? You bet, said Lily. You can help me paint Dottie Doll, and then we can make frames out of red paper, or maybe you could paint my tail. That sounds like fun, huh, painting? Ugh, said Sammy. I don't feel like painting. Can't you think of something else that's fun to do? Nope, said Lily. I like painting. Why don't you go see what Goob's up to? So off Sammy went to Goob's house. Goob had his magnifying glass out and was looking at something in the grass. Hey, Goob, said Sammy. What you doing? Ants, said Goob. I'm looking for ants. Goob pulled Sammy down next to him. He shoved the magnifying glass into his paws. Lean down and you'll see hundreds of them. They're so cool. Sammy looked through the glass. Yikes, he said. I don't want to look at ants. They're creepy. Can't you think of something else that's fun for me to do? Can't, said Goob. I'm into ants right now. Why don't you see what Jumper's up to? So off Sammy went to Jumper's house. Jumper was shooting baskets in the driveway. He dribbled the ball over to Sammy. Want to get in the game, he asked. No, said Sammy. I don't feel like playing basketball. Can't you think of something fun for me to do? Watch this, said Jumper. I'm the rabbit. He jumped up and stuffed the ball into the basket. A slam dunk. Sammy sighed. Nobody seemed to have any fun ideas. Maybe he could play with Tag-Along Allie. So off he went to her house. So let's stop right there for just a minute. It sounds like everybody is doing something fun, and Sammy's just walking around saying, I'm bored. Ugh. Why can't y'all think of anything for me to do? So it looks like all the kids have managed to, think of things to do that they like to do, except Sammy. So, why do y'all think Sammy was so bored? And whose fault was it that Sammy's bored? Let's think about those things. We're going to pause right here. I want you to click to the next slide. We're going to think about why was Sammy's bored and whose fault is it that Sammy's bored? So, let's pause. You click to the next slide and answer those questions for me.